The integrated Land Rover CO2 Offset Programme is one of the largest voluntary offset initiatives in the world. By 2008, we will have offset 2.2 million tonnes of carbon dioxide, including 100% of the emissions from our manufacturing assembly. Over 50,000 new Land Rover customers voluntarily join the scheme every year. The programme is built up of a portfolio of worldwide environmental and humanitarian projects, overseen by an independent board of governance, chaired by expert advisor Dr. Sally Uren.
I've decided to support this programme because I think it's a really important initiative. It's a very powerful way of reaching the consumer on an issue that we all need to understand a lot better. The role of Land Rover's Governance Committee for the Carbon Offset Project has three main functions. The first function is assurance, to make sure that customers' money is going to the right kind of project. The second role is strategic advice. This is quite an ambitious project, still in its early stages. So the role of the Governance Committee is to make sure that it delivers for all the interested parties. The third role is monitoring and reporting. The Governance Committee has a really important role to report on progress of the project to a whole range of different parties.
The individual projects are selected and managed by international offset specialists Climate Care. Tom Morton is a director.
When you buy a carbon offset, you know an emission reduction has been achieved on your behalf. There are various systems in place to ensure that this happens. What we do is develop project documentation and a monitoring plan for each project. These project documents are then verified by independent third parties that are accredited by the United Nations to verify projects that reduce greenhouse gases.
Accepted projects fall into three main categories and are situated in some of the poorest countries around the world. Technology change is being invested in Tajikistan in a hydro dam that is reducing CO2 and providing affordable clean energy for local homes, schools and hospitals. Renewable energy is being produced in Chengdu City, China, where wind farms are being built and developed as a highly efficient form of energy production. And efficient energy is being created in Kampala, Uganda, where new cooking stoves are burning 20% less charcoal, cutting CO2 emissions, slowing the rate of deforestation, improving living conditions, and providing jobs and security for the local community.
Big business needs to innovate, and that's what Land Rover's doing through this project, is innovating very efficiently and effectively to bring the consumer with it. Investing in developing countries, help them cut their carbon emissions, is a really responsible thing for Land Rover to be doing.